Hey guys, welcome to the third day of the vlogging series. If you haven't seen the first two, then check it out. I will leave a link to them in the description box down below. But basically, I'm in Portland for the long weekend, and yeah, I'm just doing this vlogging series where I take you guys along with me. And yeah, just kind of show you Portland, so it's a lot of fun. Check it out. But for the outfit of the today, that's what I'm wearing. It's this really cute yellow top. It's not even yellow, it's like this mustardy yellow color. It's so cute. I love it. And it's got this really nice sleeves detailing with some pearls on it. So pretty. And then I've just paired it with like a simple black skirt and some sandals once again, but I did take sneakers in my car in case I need to change. I remember to take the sneakers this time. I think I forgot yesterday, but today I won't forget. I took the sneakers with me, so if I need to change them, I will do that. And yeah, for the bag, I am wearing my MLBB because that's the one that I came here with. You guys know that. And we are actually on our way back today. Today's our last day in Portland, so I'm all packed up and ready to go, which is kind of sad because that means the end of the vacation, but it's not too bad. Here's gone out to get some breakfast, and then yeah, I'm just basically ready. I'm going to have breakfast and then step out right away, but that's basically it. Super excited, and yeah, let's get going. I ordered some crepe, some sweet crepe from this place. Just waiting for it. They have savory crepes too, but I think I'm feeling sweet. Here's my crepe. I got Nutella and strawberry. So good. So we are at Cannon Beach now, and look how beautiful this part is actually. It's like rocks, so cool. And then I think we saw some more over like in that corner. There, see that big rock? So that's where we're headed next. But it's such a cool beach, and there are so many people. Surprisingly, not many people are wearing masks, but we are. And this is the town, so these are actual residential places, and then I got the crepe from like the town here. And then yeah, let's get closer to the beach. Just taking a walk at the beach. So this time I changed into these. So I did have, I remember to bring sneakers, obviously it's in my car, but I'm glad that I had these slippers so that I could just change into these. I think these are perfect for beach. So pretty. So we went to the candy store and we only picked up like 2 saltwater candies, taffies, I think, saltwater taffies. We've never ever tried saltwater taffy, so we were standing in the line, the checkout line, for like to pay for like 2 candies, and the guy's like, oh, you're good, you don't even need to pay for it. So really nice people in this town. But anyways, I tried it and it's very sticky. I like it, but it's very, very sticky. Returned our rental car and we're on our way to the airport. This is the airport. So pretty, right? Yeah, so I'm finally leaving Portland. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Like, I'm trying to scream, but because I'm wearing mask. But yeah, I'm gonna be leaving Portland soon, and that really concludes like my 3-day vlog. If you haven't subscribed already, please do consider subscribing. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.